Ragazzi e bentornati al corso di italiano. We talked about adjectives last time in the last video, and today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is il verbo essere, to be. Il verbo essere is an auxiliary verb. We have two auxiliary verbs, essere and avere. But it's also a verb that we use, for example, to describe something, to give information about something. It's an irregular verb, so the conjugation is not always easy. But for now, let's see the, let's say, basic conjugation of to be, so the present indicative tense. Il presente indicativo del verbo essere. We know that we have, like in English, pronouns, subject pronouns. So, io, tu, lui, lei, we don't have it, noi, voi, loro. And the conjugation of to be changes according to the subject. Io sono, tu sei, lui o lei è, noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. This is the conjugation. Then, as an extra piece of information, if we have to add something after the conjugation, when the conjugation is essere, then we have to take into account, as usual, the gender and the number. So, io sono italiano, because I am a man. But if I were a woman, I should say, io sono italiana. So, the feminine. And if it comes to plural, noi siamo italiani, if we are a group of men or a mixed group, or noi siamo italiane if it's just a feminine group, a group of females. So, io sono italiano, tu sei italiano, lui è italiano, cannot be italiana because lui is for masculine, lei è italiana, noi siamo italiani, voi siete italiani, loro sono italiani. I conjugate it in the masculine form. Of course, as I said previously, take into account gender and also for the plural number. So, I hope that this video was helpful, was clear. I'm Francesco Volpi. I'm a professional Italian teacher with more than 4,000 classes taught till today. And I have been working online for 10 years on several platforms. So I hope you liked this video and wait for more. So we will have an entire course about Italian grammar. And if you have any question, just let me know. For now, that's all. Buono studio, buona giornata e a presto. Ciao!